Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to check for plagiarism. First of all, open up the Google Docs site in your web browser. Once you are in the Google Doc, click on Extensions from the top bar and go into Add-ons. Then click on Get Add-ons. Then search for the Plagiarism app here. Once you find the app, to install it. After that, click to continue and choose your Google account. Now, choose your Google account and allow the app. Then the app extension will be installed in your Google Docs. To use the app, tap on it and hit the Start button. Now select the paragraph text you want to check the plagiarism on. After that, you need to either sign up or log in to your plagiarism account. To log into your accounts, you need to enter your account credentials. If you hadn't already created your accounts, head to sign up. Enter your name, email address, and school name. Then log in with the same credentials, and you will see the plagiarism on your selected paragraph. If you want to check the plagiarism on more than one page, you need to buy more pages. If you enjoyed this video, and share your comments or questions below.